Hi, my name is Dom. I'm 33 years old from the National Youth Commission. I believe in the power of the Filipino youth. I believe that if we harness the talent of the youth, we can come up with so many solutions. And I guess such as a project like this is very noble, very innovative, very creative for us to find out what the sentiments are of the young generation. We have this project called Abot na Lang. So it is our objective to gather all the out-of-school youth. Because sometimes, when you say na out-of-school youth, wala ka na, you're not part of it, hindi ka nakasama. But with this initiative, parang they reiterated that everyone is included. Diba? Walang may iwan, no one will be left behind. Whether you're a student or not. Kasi once you're an out-of-school youth, you have an option and a chance to become a student again via ALS. And I guess doodling is a form of art. So in a way, instead of them not doing anything, diba, they engage like to something that's productive. Right now, we have mapped out siguro mga a little over 1 million already. So it is a challenge of the agencies, the NYC in particular, to look for all these 4 million and engage them into programs such as ALS, which is going back to school, entrepreneurship programs, yung mga tech book, they want to be mga, let's say, carpenters or doodlers perhaps, parang ganun. The main task of NYC is to gather the data. So far yun yung intervention namin. Pero we are in partnership with all the other agencies such as DepEd, yung mga local government kasi sila yung gumagawa ng so we are part of the group. So we see naman everything. So kumbaga tulong-tulong lang yan. Pero ang main task ng NYC is to really gather all these people or all these OSYs